Satan can say that I am Gabriel. Satan disguises himself as an angel of light. Corinthians chapter 11:14. And no wonder, for Satan himself masquerades as an angel of light. This means Satan or his angels can appear very holy, beautiful, and convincing, even claiming to be someone like Gabriel. They can give false visions, dreams, or messages to mislead people. 2. His purpose is to deceive. John 8:44. He is a liar and the father of lies. Satan's whole strategy is to imitate God's truth and twist it subtly. Even false prophets and fake religious experiences can be his tools. Galatians chapter 1:8. But even if we or an angel from heaven should preach a gospel contrary to the one we preach to you, let him be accursed. 1. Satan was once an angel. Satan was originally a high-ranking angel named Lucifer. Isaiah 14:12. How you have fallen from heaven, morning star, son of the dawn. Ezekiel 28:14-17. Describes a glorious being who became proud and was cast down. 2. Fallen angels followed Satan. When Satan rebelled against God, many angels followed him in his rebellion. Revelation 12:4. His tail swept a third of the stars out of the sky and flung them to the earth. Many Bible scholars interpret these stars as angels who followed Satan. Revelation 12:9. The devil was hurled to the earth, and his angels with him. 3. These angels are demons. The angels who followed Satan are now called demons or evil spirits. They work with Satan to deceive, tempt, and destroy humanity. Matthew 25:41. The eternal fire prepared for the devil and his angels. Conclusion. Yes, Satan has angels. Evil spirits who once were holy angels but chose to rebel. They now serve him in opposing God and deceiving the world. How to discern the truth. Test every spirit or message with the Word of God. 1 John 4:1. The nature of Christ. Does it glorify Jesus or someone else? The fruit of the Spirit. Is it peaceful, loving, holy? Biblical consistency. Does it match God's revealed truth?